Hey guys, how you all doing? Andy here from iTechie TV with an unboxing of a portable hard drive. Now this is the Western Digital Elements 500GB portable hard drive. That is USB 3 compatible, and just give you a look at the box. This is just some information on the back. It says with USB 3 it'd be up to 3 times faster. On the side, it just gives you an idea into the capacity. So it says up to 60 hours of HD movies, 125,000 MP3s and 100,000 JPEG images. So let's just get into the box. So if I cut the seal, just quickly cut this. Try and get this box open. I hate these seals. So I have now got the box open. So if we just... God, this box is really hard to open. Trying not to just... There we go. So on the top there we have the USB 3 cable. So USB and the hard drive connection. And then if we just take this out, and there is some booklets with probably a quick start guide or something like that, and warranty information. You don't really need to see that. And here is the hard drive. So you pull off these two sides, peel off the put that to the side, and it really is quite a small drive actually. I'm quite impressed, and it is really light. So there's your connection on the back that you plug your USB cable into. So this drive is primarily going to be used for Time Machine backups on my Mac. So, and I shall bring you a review of this product with maybe a disk speed test. Now I will be using it on USB 2 because that is what my Mac is supporting. So I will bring you a review with disk speed tests on this, and I shall speak to you guys later. Cheers.